Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video I will be talking about the use of units and object snap. So the first thing is about the units, which is the most common thing we have to use in architectural and engineering purposes. So to open the command of units, we type units. Here it is, click on it, and here we have it. This is the unit, the type of unit. In architectural units there are mixed fractions which are more commonly used in architectural maps, and we will be using architectural mode. Engineering uses fractional, that is decimal fraction. So clicking on architectural, now this is the default precision, that is 1 by 16 inches. We will be just leave it like that, and all the settings are done. So no more messing with anything. This is okay. Now clicking OK, we have fit. The units we will be using will be feet and inches. The next thing is that is known as object snap. Object snap can be turned on by pressing F3, and the tracking can be turned on by pressing F11. The most commonly used purpose of object snap is to grab the end point or any other point where we want. Now look, I have drawn one line. Now I want to draw another line right from the end of this line. I will use object snap, and object snap will grab the end point. Now here you see that there is a circle formed at this point. Click on it, and now we can make the line anywhere we want. Okay, so I just make it 20 feet. This is the line. Okay, this was the object snap for end point. The next thing is midpoint. Midpoint can be found by looking for a triangle. I will go back to the small line. Now here it is. This is the midpoint. This was midpoint, and the line I have drawn is perpendicular to the surface. Well, mostly in architectural purposes endpoint is necessary and parallel too, but we can still work without using these object snaps. The remaining of these are not necessary for use in architectural purposes, so it is not necessary to use them here. The next thing is that we have to use polar mode. The polar mode helps us to draw lines that are on 0 degrees or at 90 degrees. Now here we have the green dotted line that we see is basically the polar mode. It is helping us to draw a line that is on 0 degrees, and similarly a line on 90 degrees, a line on 180 degrees, and a line on 270 degrees or 90 degrees. It basically just helps us to draw a line horizontal or vertical, and it has a very huge use in architectural and engineering purposes. So I think that one more thing that we have to use is the scale. 1:1 is preferred for use in AutoCAD because we don't have to get so much confused in conversion of the units. For example, one thing is 70 feet in real life. We draw it 70 feet as it is in this. Now I will draw it as 70 feet. This is 70 feet, so we don't have to get ourselves so much confused in this about the conversion of 70 feet into etc etc. So we don't have to get in that kind of mess. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. For more videos, please subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you.